Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Xubuntu 24. First open any web browser, Firefox, it is the default browser that comes with Xubuntu 24. Open it, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then select MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version, you can click on this archive. There you will find all older versions. So select the version, then select the operating system. Select Ubuntu Linux because Xubuntu is of type Ubuntu. Then select the OS version 24.04. If you are on Xubuntu 22, you have to select this one. Okay. So once you select, see it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this first one, that is deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See download started and its size is 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this star file and we will install. This will take time. Okay. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. Now we have to extract this one tar-xf, then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See, we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install mycap -ipatic -utf8, then libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now Ctrl ls sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Confirm the same. Remember this password which is required to connect to MySQL later. Use the tab and select OK and hit enter. Now see here we have the default authentication plugins, strong password encryption, legacy authentication method. It is up to you. First one is the recommended, second one is the legacy. So select whatever you want and select OK by using tab and hit enter. See, these failed, but it's okay. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Control it. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is active and running. It is enabled. If you took it, Control it. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of root account that we have set while installing. See, we have successfully connected MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, you can also verify the same by running the command select version. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Okay. Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, you have created table. Let us verify the data. It will be empty because we have created table but we haven't inserted any data. So insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of users that comes with MySQL 8.0.42 installation. So, users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, you have created user David. Now connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit from the current session. Now connect with this new user MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Hit enter. Then we have to provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay. So provide the password. See, we have successfully logged in. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged in to the MySQL server with the user David. Now switch to database that we have created. See, we are unable to connect because we have created a user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on Xubuntu 24.04. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. Okay. So start it again. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-. Provide the password. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Okay. Q to quit. Control A. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of the root account. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. If you want to restart, just give the sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted or started 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to download and install MySQL Workbench and dbeaver on Linux operating systems or Ubuntu. Else, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So delete them. rm star.deb. Else, remove this star file also. rm give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Else, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.42 on Xubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.